Hey YouTube, what's up? Flip Flop Farmer here. I'm going to show you how I built this amazing greenhouse in just a minute. Make sure you take a moment and like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get updates on future videos. Check this out. So first I needed some cattle panels, so I loaded up the truck, went to Tractor Supply, and figured out how to bend them properly to get them to fit in my Toyota Tacoma. Next I made a lumber run to Lowe's, get some 2x4s, 2x6s, and some screws to put everything together. Next I assembled the frame by screwing the 2x4x8s to the 2x4x12s. Then I put the cattle panels in on the inside and tacked them down with U-shaped fencing nails. Next I built a door frame on one end, a frame on the other end for a window, and then I constructed the bases for the shelves. So here I am about 75% complete. You can see that I've got the shelves installed. The one on the left is on the south side, the one on the right is a lower shelf on the north side. I made a simple window frame out of 1x2 furring strips, added a hinge and a latch so you could open and close the window easily. I added a 2x4 to the ridge to increase the sturdiness. Then I screwed down the plywood to the cross members so they would be sturdy and added some makeshift legs underneath the bench. Here you can see where I zip tied the cattle panels together. This worked out very well. The most difficult part of the whole process was tacking down the UV polyfilm. It's a 6mm polyfilm. I had to spread it across the top, and then I had to pleat the ends and cut them to fit and nail them down as well. We got a door that's just covered with plastic and some redneck engineering on the corners. And a door stop right there. And then you can see how I pinned down this plastic using these furring strips. Now I wasn't too good at pleating my plastic on the front or back, but it's okay, it still works. So you can see it's 12 feet long, almost, 6 feet high, 8 feet wide. My south side bench, where it is toasty warm. My north side bench, the large plants, you can see that I'm on the inside. This is a UV rated polyfilm, so you're supposed to be able to read that word when you're on the inside. A little window here, and using my barbecue thermometer to find out what the temperature is. It's 82 outside and it's 90 in here. And that's with the doors open. If I close the doors and windows, it'll shoot up to about 115. So inside the coop, I've got some seedlings going. Probably need a little of attention, but I've got some radishes and carrots going on in here. I've got a grow light. This is actually an aquarium light I repurposed. Got some more seedlings over here, tomatoes and peppers. Got a couple of lemon trees, some herbs, cilantro, and some other things over here. Got an avocado tree, a couple more lemon trees. Got these beautiful pineapples down here. This can over here holds water. That helps for heat retention. Got some garlic and celery going on. And then here are some tomatoes, my grandfather's heirloom tomatoes. I call them Paul Hornback tomatoes. Baby bush watermelons. And look at these beautiful purple tomatoes. One is a Cherokee purple and the other is a purple Russian. They're absolutely stroking it. Then I've got a couple of cherry tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes I actually just took from Walmart seeds. So, pretty good update here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.